In this video, you will learn how to perform routine cleaning of the printer exterior and sensors. Turn off the printer and remove all media. The outside of the printer can be cleaned using solutions commonly used to the healthcare industry, such as isopropyl alcohol and water. Open the media door. Clean the media sensors using compressed air. To clean any adhesive buildup on the media guides, roller holders, and other areas, wipe the printer with a lint-free cloth or swab moistened in 99.7% isopropyl alcohol. Close the media door.